If you're experiencing login issues on Zwift, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for logging into Zwift. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the Zwift app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Zwift app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available updates to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using a mobile device, go to the app settings and clear the cache and data for Zwift. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing login issues. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Zwift support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Zwift. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.